And this is a very good initiative, and it is all about also our youth and especially our girl child, because this is areas whereby we find we have a lot of challenges, especially in the area where I come from, Transmara and Narok County. So far we see that we have very few camps around this region compared to other counties like Nandi and Elgeyo Marakwet and other county in the.
And we are so happy that we have a host of Narok County and all the other champions who are here with us to support this thing. We want to be able to find a girl that should be a role model for other Maasai girls to run and the others in Narok County. We're not just targeting Maasai girls, but all the girls that are in Narok County, so that we can be able to develop our own county.